Hello everyone, this is Copper from Landpack Machinery. Today it's my honor to introduce this LD FS480 and 2 Landpack machine. The bag type of this machine is the 4-side sealing bag like this. And this machine is suitable for packing salt, sugar, seasoning, silica gel, peel, and other granular products in small bag with high capacity. And this machine consists of 4 parts. The first part is the hopper, the measuring cup, and the sealing part, and the rolling fill device. The first part is the hopper. This hopper, you can connect your material hopper and then it can make the product fitting automatically. And the second part is the measuring device. Here have 2 volumetric cups, which is used to measuring the weight of product. And you can twist this screw to adjust 1 to 2 grams of product, and the product has weight has weighted, and then it will fill into the bag. The third part is the sealing device. Here is the vertical sealing, and here is the horizontal sealing, and the bag width is fixed. The bag length you can adjust by this touch screen. The fourth part of this machine is the rolling fill device. The max fill width is 480 millimeters. And here have 2 date printers. The printer will print the date on the fill, and the fill will make the bag. If you want to change the date, you just need to change the letter of this printer, and it is very easy to operate. Here is the mark sensor. Exact location can be located during printing to prevent the deviations. The whole machine is controlled by the touch screen. And the bag length, the speed, and the package parameter can be adjusted by this according to your requirement. And here have the 2 sealing temperature device. If you have another fill materials, you can adjust the temperature according to different fill material. Our machine has 1 to 12 lengths to choose according to your production capacity. If you are interested in our machine, please contact us. Feel free. Thanks for your watching. Bye.